Name's Ethel.
I'm a boy named Sue.
Together, we're bringing cattle drives to you.
Me and my brother Ethel have been doing cattle drives since when?
1942?
We're just carrying on our daddy's legacy.
Somebody's got to keep the bellies full around here, so we went out and found us a 5-star gourmet chef.
Old Peg, found her in Juarez, Mexico. Makes the best meals this side of Mississippi. Sure, gives you gas.
You don't want to be caught in a tent with me after one of Peg's meals. Seriously.
My name's Peg. I'm the cook. None of these boys are all that smart. Especially that creepy Ronnie. He ticks me off more than a buck-toothed beaver building a dam in my own lake.
These some good fiddles, Peg.
Damn right.
These boys think that I am feeding them some high-quality grub, but really, it's just cow patties.
Man, it's really stuck in there.
Boys, how many times have I told y'all you cannot use branches for a toothpick? There's termites in them. Stay safe. Sue! Thank you!
Things are getting pretty dangerous around here, so we had to hire us a protector.
So we called up the most meanest, Billy Bad, rootinest, tootinest outlaw in the Wild Wild West.
Hey, boys!
He's queerer than $2 bill, but he gets the job done.
Howdy, y'all. My name's Bubba. Ethel hired me for the cattle drive, mainly for the protector of the group, if you will. You know, I'm here to keep the boys safe. They keep the cows safe, I keep them safe. It's a give and take, if you will, here on the cattle trail. A couple things about me. Obviously, as you can tell, I'm short. I'm 5'2" to be exact. My favorite color's purple. Oh, here's a good one. Now, you better correct me if I'm wrong. Do some research, okay, guys? But I believe that I am the only cowboy that still rides side saddle. Can you believe? Can you believe it? Now, you better check your sources. But, like I said, Ethel really hired me to take care of these boys, you know. No, y'all watch out. There's a cactus behind you. Stay safe.
You know, that old Ronnie character, he ain't all that bright.
Ronnie, you gotta watch out for this cactus.
Hi, my name's Ron. Oh. Hi, my name's Ronnie. That's spelled R-O-N. Oh. I-E. I ain't the sharpest tool in the wardrobe shed, if you know what I mean. But I'm here for these fellas. I protect the cows from those dang coyotes and chase them off of camp. Giddy up. Listen here, the one thing that I love about this cattle drive is that Diamond Peg. She's the key to my udder.
Ronnie, you've got to be careful. Now, where are those cows? It's about time to get started.
Oh, shoot. I knew I forgot something.
Ronnie, this is a cattle drive and you forgot the cattle?
Yes.
Unbelievable, Ronnie. Unbelievable. Well, you have fun telling Sue and Ethel that. Oh, here they come. Good luck, Ronnie. Loser. Well,
I left the cows.
You did what?
I left the cows.
Darn nabbit, Ronnie.
Well, I guess we gotta tell old Rufus the deal's off.